Hello Putnam students, this is Mrs. Bustos going to do a quick tutorial on logging into Typing Club. When you open up a web browser, you need to type putnam.typingclub.com. You will then be taken to our login screen that says Putnam Elementary. If it doesn't say Putnam Elementary right here, you need to make sure that you've typed the correct address in the address bar. When you do get here, you need to click Sign In with Google. And I'm going to use a student account, which your screen will look like this. So you will need to type your lunch number, at psdschools.org. Make sure you type this part correctly also. You click Next. You're going to be taken to the Poudre School District website, and you're going to type in your lunch number at psdschools.org again, and then click Next. This is when you need to enter your password. And remember, your password is 4 numbers and then 4 letters. You're going to be taken to a screen that says Verify It's You, and you select Continue. You will then be in your account, and then you need to just click on Start, and it will take you where you left off. That's all you need to do to log in. Just remember your lunch number and password. Have a great time typing. Thanks so much, and see you soon.